Hey there guys, welcome to the second part of my video hosting glossary. In this video I will show you the difference between shared VPS and dedicated hosting services. In this modern world, if your project doesn't have a website, it simply doesn't exist. One of the basic issues when working on starting a website is good web hosting. You might find yourself overwhelmed by a tremendous amount of web hosting choices on the market, which makes deciding difficult. In order to avoid making a mistake, it is always good to turn to an expert. Uh, the three most popular hosting packages offered by web hosting companies globally are shared, VPS, and dedicated. All of them have their advantages and disadvantages. So, in this video, we have prepared a detailed description for each hosting types. And so, watching this video, you can have a clear understanding of how all it works. Shared hosting pros and cons. Most likely, shared hosting is what you need if you have a startup project. Shared plans normally have low prices and some basic features included. In fact, if you purchase this type of web hosting, you will share one server with many other websites. They may cause some problems as you never know about your neighbors who are. However, the possibility of bad neighborhood is probably the biggest disadvantage of shared plans. The rest is perfect if you have a startup project and do not have an incredible amount of data going through your website. In some other words, shared plans are perfect for promo websites, professional portfolios, startup projects, blog or writer website, early stages of photo gallery, some e-commerce websites. Usually, web hosts offer some unlimited features in their shared packages. Be aware of that some of them have underwater stones, so make sure that you read their terms and conditions carefully. You will also find a bunch of hosting companies suggesting many additional features included in the packages like e-commerce tools, CMS platforms, plugins for developers. These features are fine, but pay attention only to the features you really need. Consult a webmaster before choosing a particular web hosting company. Key facts about VPS hosting. VPS plans are the golden mean of the web hosting services, as I have said that in my previous video. Such offers will normally have a good neighborhood security and strong customer support services. VPS also means you get a higher capacity compared to shared hosting plans. The bigger disadvantage of VPS is that you have no control over many other important server functions, which is available in the dedicated plans. As your project grows, your webmasters will need more and more options for managing your websites effectively. That is where you see the limits of VPS. Everything is predetermined by the web host because again you get only a part of a server, even though the part of server is rather big. So, what is VPS hosting good for? Well, VPS is great for average web projects that do not require fine personalized server adjustments. This may be a large photo stock, media rich website, or an e commerce project, um, or even a number of simple websites hosted under the same hosting plan. Follow the load of your current shared hosting, and if it is close to the limit, you may consider moving to a VPS or dedicated package. Why VPS or dedicated? Because the market of VPS hosting is rather big. So some VPS plans will cost you even more than that a basic server. Be aware of that and know your priorities when choosing between VPS and dedicated. All you need to know about dedicated hosting. When the time comes that your online business grows to truly huge dimensions and the world is not enough, welcome dedicated hosting. This kind of plan will avoid your control over the whole server. This, of course, has both pros and cons. On the other hand, you can adjust your service according to your needs. On the other hand, purchasing a dedicated service means you will have extra cost for managing it. Certainly, dedicated servers are all about huge capacity. You get impressive bandwidth and disk space as well as a lot of FTP accounts, email accounts, and databases. Most web hosting companies will let you choose the operating system that will be installed on your rack. Add the special attention of customer support and high security standards, and you will get the best kind of hosting solutions available on the market. As you can see, each type of web hosting plan has its advantages and disadvantages. When you are wondering which one to choose, you have to look at your needs. Don't forget research before purchasing any hosting plan, and you will need a solution that meets all your requirements. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, uh, hit on the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.